Greetings and salutations YouTube, Itshadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm here today with a super fun haul video. So if you guys were interested in seeing the thrifting video for this particular haul, I'll have it linked right there and down below in the description box as well. And if you guys love thrifting and you love thrift hauls vlogs, do not forget to subscribe. I do post videos every single day. Hit the little bell button for notifications. Add me on Instagram. Itshadrian, just like it's spelled here. And check out my shop at itshadrian.com to see what I have for sale for my thrifting adventures. And I got a ton of really good stuff that I just listed. So check it out if you guys are interested at all. And without any further ado, let's get into this haul. So, okay. As you guys know, the holidays are upon us. Halloween has just come and gone. Thanksgiving is just around the corner. And like a hop, jeep, and like skip away is gonna be Christmas. So I didn't want to be like I was with kind of Halloween. I was kind of, if I saw stuff at the thrift store, I was like, no, I'll just wait and hold off. You know what? Rookie mistake, right? You cannot hold off. So even though I keep wanting to say Halloween, even though Christmas is just still like 2 months away, I had to get the Garland. You know, Garland is so expensive sometimes at the store, especially nice Garland that looks beautiful. So I got 3 pieces, which I think is awesome because you really only need like, sometimes you can get away with 1, 2 would probably be perfect, and then 3 if you want to like amp it up a notch, and then you like just go on from there. I guess it's really depending on the look that you're trying to do, but Garland is awesome because you can use it on your dining table, you can use it on a mantle, you can use it on a console table, you can wrap it around the banisters on the stairs, you can put it on top of your bookcase or whatever thing that you want. Like they are just so versatile. You can put them around the door, you can put them like around like anywhere around the house. So I had to get these. I got this red kind of berry one, which I think is really nice. And then it's very like, it has like the rustic elements to it, because it also has these little like kind of, I don't know, like kind of rusted stars on them. And I just think it's really, really fun. And yeah, this was only $1.99, which is crazy because these garlands are usually so expensive, right? Like, have you gotten even if you go to like Walmart or Target, like the garlands get pretty pricey, and then Pottery Barn, Crate and Barrel, places like that, these garlands are so nuts. And you know what? Actually, I was actually kind of thinking about maybe doing some live Garland. I know they sell them. Where do they usually sell them? I think like at Sam's Club or Costco, just so that you can get like the scent of the Christmas tree, because we definitely aren't going to use a real Christmas tree. But I don't know, now that I have these garlands, or maybe like I'll use these kind of like supplemental. Then I got this one. I got 2 of these. They were $2.99 each, and they just have like the little pine cones and whatnot on them, which I think is really fun. Again, they add so much dimension and texture to a table that it's just like so perfect. So I'm going to be holding on to these until the holidays. Are you guys like, when do you guys decorate for Christmas? Okay, so a lot of people like on Instagram and a lot of people on YouTube, I've already seen them putting up their Christmas decorations, and I'm just like, oh, should I do it? But I'm like, no, I have to stay true to like the current holiday, and Thanksgiving has not yet passed, so I have to wait till like literally the day after Thanksgiving. After Black Friday craziness, I'll probably start decorating, or at least taking out the decorations. But here's the other piece. So I have 3 garlands that I got all together. So those 2 were like $2.99 each, so that's 6, and the other one was $2, so 10. So for $10, I got 3 garlands, which I think is an amazing price, because I remember back then purchasing from like Garland from like Pottery Barn. Like the garlands are like $45, $35, $65, depending on like how they look and like what kind of stuff they have. So it's crazy. Like those garlands are insane. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of show you guys stuff randomly, not in like any particular order, but I did get this really cute, I don't know if you guys have seen the commercial for this on TV, but it's like a shark blanket, and you like put your legs and your body like into the mouth part so it looks like it's eating you. And the kids and I love sharks, especially Eliza and Zach. Like, oh, even Katie, like he's really into sharks, and so I had to get this. I thought it was so cool. Didn't have a price, but they gave it to me for $7.99, and I was like, I'll take it. It even still has the little tag on it. Oh, that's what they're called. Snuggie tails. So, oh, man, does Snuggie make this? Okay, as much as I thought Snuggies were just like, whatever, the Snuggie tails are just so cute. I know they also have like, I think they have like a mermaid tail as well, which I think is super fun. And if I ever find one, I'll definitely get one, because I have a lot of like little nieces and little cousins that would love that, and probably even my sister. I actually know she would love one, so probably my sister. If I found one, she is definitely first on the list. The next thing I have here, and I did look through the clothes just like really quick. I always do, but I don't always show it in the vlogs, just because there's so many people like on YouTube that show clothing and stuff like that, and I'm like not like the most like fashionable person. I'm just like so like, I feel like my clothing is just like very basic and regular. I don't know if I do anything too spectacular, but I did find this cool vintage Abercrombie and Fitch shirt, and this one just says, Texas welcomes you, and I love Texas. And I have a lot of friends out there in Texas. I have a lot of family, actually, that lives in Texas as well. Lots of my mom's cousins, and I think a couple of my dad's cousins that have come to visit us and are really, really nice and awesome. I love them to death. Live out there, and I thought this would be like a fun ode to them. And yeah, so this was just $1.99. And I love the vintage Abercrombie shirts because they like literally last forever, and the fabric on them is so amazing. The new ones, I feel like they're great, but like the type of fabrics that they use now are totally different from what they used to use before. And I just like, I don't know, I just love the older fabrics. It's weird. Is that weird? Also, let me stay hydrated. But check out this cup. Can you believe? Okay, so I found this cup. I already washed it and cleaned it and everything. Oh my gosh. Now I think they actually still sell this at Starbucks. But this is literally the most epic one I have ever seen. I think I need to actually go to Starbucks and see if they still have these, because I have to get one for my sister and I have to get one for my mom, and I think I'm just gonna hold on to them until Christmas time, because I know that they would love them. And I cannot believe that this was at the Goodwill. Oh my gosh, but I washed it and cleaned it already. I'm already using it right now. As you can see, I have some ice water in here. But literally, like, I love these cups so much. Every time I see a Starbucks cup like this, I always get them, because I always drink water. I love drinking water, and so does like the whole family, and like I have cups for everyone, and these are just so awesome. I love them so much. And this one literally looks like a mermaid and a unicorn like had a baby, like a mermaid, unicorn, and a cup had a baby, and this is what it looks like. Even the straw, I don't even know, can you tell? But it looks like a unicorn horn on the inside. Like, it is spectacular. It is one of the most exciting things I've ever seen. Like, it was just glistening at me from the corner of my eye, and I was just like, I cannot. So like, I'm so excited. And it still even had the Target, or it still had the Starbucks sticker on the bottom. Oh, I actually didn't get all of it. There's like a little piece of it still left on there. But I guess like, because they do have, I have seen other new Starbucks cups that are from Target at the Goodwill, and this one was, how much was it? It was a little bit more. I was like, I think it was like $8, but I was like, whatever, because it was originally like, I think it was almost $20, so I was like, whatever, this is a great price. It looks brand new, and I was like, how is this even there? So excited. Oh my gosh, and look how good it looks on camera. Look at how it glistens and shines. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, so the next thing that I was actually really excited about, I'm pretty excited about everything, as you guys can tell. This plate. Okay, so this plate, this is actually a Pottery Barn plate, and it's from the Something Blue collection. And I actually have 3 or 4 of these plates already that I thrifted, like, I think a year and a half ago is when I got them. And now I have another one to add to the collection. You guys know, if you guys have watched any of my previous videos, that I love blue and white plates and decor in general. So this one is beautiful. I'm so excited to add another one to the collection. And hopefully one day I'll have a set of 8. Like that 8 is like my magic number because that's how many place settings I have at the dining table. And if I can have 8 to like dress up the whole table, that'd be perfect. But 6 would be okay too because I can just do the sides or the 6 or 3 and 3 on each side. But I'm well on my way to having a complete collection and I'm super duper excited. But yeah, $1.99 for this. Oh, then these, okay, so I had to get these because first of all, I love Harry Potter, but so does my sister. And so does my cousin that just recently moved here. And he actually was a Slytherin student for Halloween. So this is perfect. And it was like, look at how cute this is. These are brand new too from Target. $1.99. And I was so excited. I wish like they had Hufflepuff too, but all the Hufflepuff mugs were broken. So I was like, how cool it would be to be able to collect the whole thing. I think I'm still gonna try to. So since my sister lives here, I'll be able to like still have this in like the collection at the house. And I'm gonna be definitely looking out for the rest of the cups. But what's really cool is that these were blue tags, so they were just $1, which is awesome. So Slytherin mugs, $1 each. Love. So excited. Okay. Then the next thing is I got this really, really cute Ray Dunn. I don't know exactly what this is called. What is this called? A baking dish? I don't know. This would look perfect with some brownies inside of it. Ooh, pumpkin bars. Oh my gosh, pumpkin. Pecan bars. I don't know. I'm thinking like I am in the mindset of like Thanksgiving and Christmas already. But yeah. Say oven safe up to 350 degrees. Oh, only 350? That's like the standard baking temperature, right? I'm gonna have to ask mom. But how cute is that? Like it says more please on the inside. Like how cute, like once you're like kind of like cutting through and then it says more please on the inside. That is so fun. This was $5, so excited about that. I do have like a pretty good little Ray Dunn collection getting started up and I am super excited. Her stuff is just so gorgeous and I'm so excited about it. Okay, so there's that. And, oh, this is another thing that I thought was really cool because I actually thrifted this same backpack already once. And this is a Pottery Barn Kids Star Wars themed backpack. And I got the same exact backpack from a veterans thrift store about, I want to say like maybe like 2 or 3 weeks ago. And now I found the exact same backpack. I think I got that one for about, I want to say like $7 and I got this one for $6. So it's awesome. It's in pretty much perfect condition and these backpacks are very expensive from Pottery Barn Kids and they are they are pretty sturdy. Mom always gets the kids Pottery Barn Kids backpacks during like every school year and Cade has already destroyed his backpack. I don't know what it is. That boy is just like, he is hard on his backpacks. And so, I don't know, I think this might be too small. I don't think it'll fit his folders properly. So I'm still looking for another backpack, but like while looking for a new backpack for him, I did find this one. And this was so cool. Zach really likes it. But his backpack is still doing really well. But I'm like, this is just like a perfect backpack for if we go like on a little trip or like when we go out, he can like put his snacks or whatever inside of there, his toys, his iPad, whatever, and it's the perfect size for that. And it's the perfect size on him to carry on his back. Right now he has one of those rolling backpacks, and yeah, so very excited about that. Let's look excited about everything. Okay, now I just have a couple more things to share with you guys. Let me start off with these shoes. I thought they were super fun. And they are these Tory Burch wedges. And they are black and like a natural kind of like beigey tan color. So Tory Burch. I'm not too sure what size these are. Because I think like the size part like got like rubbed off on the bottom. You can see it like right there. But I think they're like maybe like a size 9.5 to 10. I'm gonna ask mom to try them on. So I might be able to like gauge the size. But I did get these and they were $7 each. So really, really cute. I think they're like really nice for fall. The next thing I have here is this really nice perforated Coach wallet. It has a floral flower design, and it's on kind of like a soft piano leather in cream. It's really pretty. It does look like it has a couple like little pink stains on it. I don't know if it's maybe like nail polish or something. I'm hoping that I can get it out. And also I look really red now because of the wallet. But yeah, the inside is just really clean. It's in a nice light pink color. So I am excited about this one. I think it's really pretty. I think you guys are going to love it. Then the next thing I have here is this Rebecca Minkoff, the Mini Mac in like a magenta color. Now this one, some of the color is like kind of like peeling off of the front. So I don't exactly know what I'm going to do. I might do like, I'm thinking about dyeing it. I'm thinking about painting something on it. I'm not too sure. How cool would it be to do like a custom paint job on this? Like make some sort of like floral design? I don't know. What do you guys think? Like, would you guys like one of those kind of videos? Like I know a lot of you guys like handbag rehabs, but I was thinking like painting something fun on this I think would be really, really cool. So I don't know. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are. And then this is the last item I have to share with you guys, and it is this beautiful Coach shoulder bag in black leather, silver hardware. I love that it has this little keychain, and this is like, this little stagecoach thing is like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is the first time I've seen one of these at a thrift store with like this little thing. But this bag holds a ton. It has the middle zipper compartment and then 2 more compartments on either side, and it's just in beautiful condition. And the leather is so soft, so supple, and it is stunning. So that concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and checking out all this stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please give the video a big thumbs up. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys have found anything really cool recently, because I love hearing about your finds as well. And don't forget to subscribe again for new videos. Don't forget to check out today's vlog. It's up at 2, and the new thrifting video goes up tomorrow bright and early at 7 a.m. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all later. Bye! Let's check out the furniture. This is like an outdoor table. This is not too bad. It's only 15 bucks. That is pretty cheap. Okay. Let's see what else we have here today. Let's scope out the shoes.